Thosegarh waterfall, artificial spot created here. See the waterfall, a small waterfall. Now just observe the color of grass. It is not rainy season now, still water is there, and now we are approaching to big waterfall. A nice road is there, steps are there constructed. Deep valley here. And this is the huge waterfall here. I'm just focusing out. There is a well, natural well here, and then this is waterfall. I am zooming out.
आपण कुठे कुठले सगळ्यांच्या गावचं पाणी असं पूर्ण पण दाखवलं गॅप आला सगळं मस्त वाटलं असतं. कोणतरी बोललेलं शोपीस ठेवलंय ते ना काढून गाड्या
Very good place for rock climbing as well as valley crossing also. See, this is not that long valley, hardly 100 meters.
एक पाणी खालती आणणार तो खालती आहे आणि हे ना ते तोडायला ठेव असं ठेवले खालती आहे ना अजून खालती समोरचं वाळवंट वाटतं ना.
A waterfall, small waterfall at Thosegarh. A place here. Yes, place here. Just observe. Water is going underground and coming out here. Maybe possible because of landslide. Some debris is there, and so water is flowing under that. This is Tarali river. And windmill project you can locate here also. At top of hill, windmills are there. Evergreen forest over here. A nice location. This is there in Satara district, Maharashtra state, India.